Welcome back, everybody. So let's discuss Beyond Meat for tomorrow, Monday. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here for education purposes, and we're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So first of all, guys, look at this channel. This is really important update for Beyond Meat. If you know, guys, we already discussed Beyond Meat around this breakout, huge jump, 1000%. Then the price pulled back from the almost the $10, and we went down now around the $1. Are we gonna have a reversal from this dip? Because Beyond Meat every time have a huge dip, we have a huge reversal once it tests a major level of support. Now we got this technical channel where we should break out from by the next week or November. So where the price target of November, let me know in comment section below, guys, where the price will squeeze at, because we got other stocks that squeeze, which called HKD. We already discussed it on our Discord, guys. If you're not one of our hunters on Discord and community, the link comment section below if you want to have access to this channel, because we always discuss those updates for a major reversal zone. You see what's happened for HKD? We hit the 459. We said this is the resistance. We went until the 547. After that 547, let me just show you what's going on. We went 519 and almost the 616, and then we pulled back. So this was a really good trade on Friday before the market closed, and then the price pulled back. So why we discuss HKD, guys? Because this stock was heavily shorted and then reversed. So Beyond Meat got shorted big time, 8 toward 1. Some of you say is not gonna reverse. Some of you say was gonna reverse because we got huge earnings coming up at the 4th of November or on Tuesday after hours. So just 2 days from now. So this is might change everything for Beyond Meat if we have a good earnings. So what we should expect before the earnings, guys? First of all, we have the $1.29 to hold before the earnings. If we held, or even if we have a pullback and bad earning, we should reverse from here and then reverse up. If we have a good earnings, the good reaction for good earnings is breaking this resistance around the 178. This would be even better if we broke the 178 by Monday, if we have a gap up over the 178. So we kind of missing almost 10% to confirm a good reaction before even the earnings on Tuesday, or 2 days from now, to go at least toward the $2.12. So if we have a good earnings, we should have the $2.12, then the $2.50. So this is would be the first level of profit taken, should be 27%. The second one should be 50% for Beyond Meat. So technically we still have not broken this level. So the first level that we test on this bear channel, it was on 24th of October here, 28th of October here, almost on the 29th, and now on the 31st of October. So November should be the breakout, guys, from this channel. If we have this breakout, it would be really great. We're going to discuss this breakout second by second, minute by minute. If we have this breakout, we're going to discuss it first on our Discord, and after that on our YouTube channel, on our live streaming, that we're going to discuss this breakout 30 minutes before the market open, and our live streaming that we're going to do tomorrow. So make sure to come early, because this breakout might happen before even the market open. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and let me know in the comment section below, are we gonna go toward the $3.30 before the earnings or after the earnings, or are we gonna go down below the $1? There's no in between, guys. We are in the critical zone now for Beyond Meat. Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow.